anticipate the paint color is on the walls. It is coming along nicely. I am so happy with how this color turned out. This is Pittsburgh Paints PPG Bay of Fundy, B-A-Y-O-F-F-U-N-D-Y, Bay of Fundy. That is the name of the color. That's Luke the dog. He's excited. He thinks he wants to go out for the third time in the last 20 minutes. But look, I can see it coming together. It's so pretty. I love it. All right, Luke, calm down. So now you can see how it looks against my range hood, the Black River Rock. Got a little tiny silver accent right here. Of course, it's still dirty. We're still working. Got to get the baseboards put in and all of that. Got to get the electrical hooked up once they get the island put in here and all of that. But oh my goodness, I love it so much. It really makes my white doors and my trim molding really pop. I love it so much. And we are gonna paint back over this white here, so it will look amazing in real life once it's done. This is into what we call the fireplace room. The worker got this far today, the painter. This is the old color here, but it's really amazing. I'm just so pleased with it. Let's walk down the hall. I told them that we wanted to use this amount here, this color, for the entire walkway, entryway. So the kitchen ends here. This is where the oven and microwave built-in will be. But then we'll walk down the hallway and it just looks so pretty. I love it so much. The little vinyl wall saying we had here is slowly being chipped away so that he can paint this. See, we've got all of this here. This is just trimmed out. Right up here, it's gonna go all the way up the stairwell. I'm just really pleased. It looks so pretty, y'all. I'm so happy. I really am. It's just gorgeous. I don't know that the color on the screen here for you in my phone camera will do it justice, but loving it.